Hi everyone, today we're going to go through how to navigate Xero on your mobile phone app. So firstly you would need to download Xero either through the App Store or through the Play Store if you've got an Android, and then you need to click on the app and you'd want to log in. So I've already logged in here to the demo company and you can see that the view is slightly different from when you're logged onto a computer. Also the functions are slightly limited when you're on a mobile app. But this is great for when you're on the go, if you're trying to shoot someone a quick invoice or a quote. So we're just going to quickly go through how to navigate Xero. So if you see the three dots on the top left-hand side of the screen, that's how you'd get into your account settings if you want to change out of the organization. The plus symbol to the top right is your add new shortcut as always. So you can see there, create invoice, create quote, add a bill. This is your dashboard when you first log in. Sales is all your invoices. Purchases is all your bills or purchase orders. And contacts are obviously all your clients. So that's how you navigate through. In the next couple of videos, we're going to show you how you can make quotes, how you can make invoices, how you can convert a quote to an invoice, how to create a new contact, and reconciling all from the mobile phone app. So hopefully this little introduction was useful, and keep watching on to see how to get full benefits from it. Thanks for watching.